My dearest of friends, today we're going to be making a very special salad. A salad filled with the well springs of vivacity, with the well springs of life, with life force, with orgone energy, with all the energies that are inherent in living greens. At Living Tree Community Foods, we celebrate life force, vivacity, and living food. But of course, so we're going to start today. We're going to start with a bed of romaine lettuce. This is beautiful California grown romaine lettuce from local family farmer. We love to support family farmers. And we're going to add to this some magnificent endive, also from a California family farmer. What a gorgeous vegetable. We are so blessed, brothers and sisters. So blessed indeed, and maybe this will inspire you to do a spring planting. That front yard, that backyard, turn it into your backyard farm. These times, read the headlines in the newspaper. We've got to get back to growing at least a substantial part of the food that we eat. This is a necessity. So here we go. Here we go with some endive, and let's sprinkle that over the top. Endive. And now let's follow that with some spinach. This spinach is grown by the wonderful folks at Full Belly Farm. If you go back to our videos, you see we have we've made several visits there where it has our privilege to interview Judy, one of the founders of this magnificent farm. And here we go. So we feel so privileged to be in contact with these living greens. So, spinach. And now, after the spinach, what about some kale? And now, what about collard greens, the closest cousin to kale? The brassica family is such a wonderful family indeed. So let's go ahead and let's do a couple collard greens. Okay, and now we have all that. Now let's go ahead and let's make a very, very special dressing. Some spring water in a blender. And let's start, of course, with the pillar of our business, a live organic almond butter made from almonds grown by a California farming family. And now let's add some cashew butter for smoothness. Our Living Tree Milk of Paradise, cashew butter and macadamia butter. Living Tree tahini, but of course, and then our magnificent walnut butter from walnuts also grown by a California family farmer. And now let us add some parsley. Fresh basil. So let's give this a blend. Oh yes, and of course, to heighten the flavors, a bit, and to elicit the flavors, a bit of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. So we're going to add the salad dressing. Let's give this a toss. And now, how about topping off with some green pepper, and what about some red onion? And then some diced apple, but of course, then some cherry tomatoes, and some dried shiitake mushrooms. So here we have it. My dearest of friends, a very, very special salad celebrating vivacity, celebrating streaming life, celebrating the mystery, the joy, and wonder of making oneself more and more alive. So let's get back to the wellsprings of vivacity, the wellsprings of liveliness, the wellspring of redemption. My privilege, my honor to share with you. Your comments are so welcome indeed. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and maybe even give us a like. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters. Build your edible schoolyard. Build your community garden. Build your backyard farm. Our privilege to share. Let us go forward in these times.